Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're gonna be doing a Get Unready with Me skincare makeup edition. I always get a lot of compliments about my face, my skin. I always get good compliments. My parents' genes for, you know, literally giving me good skin. Now I do break out here and there, like if I have like on my menstrual or if my hair is dirty, my face breaks out. So I try to do the best by drinking water, minding my business, and you know, taking care of my skin. If this is your first time here and you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see your girl. We try to post every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna go ahead and use this band that I got from Shein so I can move the hair away from my face. Probably should get like a clip and put this so it could move the hair, right? Yeah. First thing I like to go in with is my Honest Beauty makeup wipes. We're gonna take off these lashes. Whew. I do a subscription with Honest Beauty on Amazon, so I get this every other month. These are the only and first makeup wipes that I have, you guys, that doesn't irritate my eyes when I have to remove my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the makeup. I want to show you guys how well one wipe does it.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval.
You guys, look, one wipe. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and use another wipe to do the other side of my face. So I usually like to use 2 wipes, but if I have on like eyeshadow, which is like rarely, I would use like 3, but for the most part it does take off your makeup. I like these. I'll have them linked down below. I do have an Amazon storefront if you guys ever want to check it out. I have these wipes here, and I do a subscription with them because I really like them that much. And when I do the subscription, you guys, it literally comes right on time, just like that. Okay, we are back. And look at the skin. The skin is skinning. I'm gonna go ahead and use, I just started using this. This is by Sephora. This is the face wash from Sephora. It is non-scented, so yeah, scent free. I go in with the sponge. I got a pack from Shein. So I go in with the sponge, I wet the sponge up, and I put the face wash. Gonna go ahead, this is damp, so I'm going to, I think I put too much, but it's whatever. Let it lather up a little bit and use that to wash my face. I like to do it twice, so the first time around you can see, like, look at all the makeup. Even though we use the makeup wipes, there's still makeup residue. So let me wash my face and then come back and do it again. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with it one more time, and I could use my hands to start to make it lather up a little bit, which is what I should have done at first, but you know, sometimes I like to do that. Or I could go in with my hands, and 1 drop is enough. And I like this one. I just started using it this week. I don't go too crazy with face wash. I like to use, you know, simple ones. Lately I've been stuck to the Sephora ones because like they're super affordable and they last me pretty well. And I like to bring it down to my neck as well because I sometimes put makeup on my neck. So yeah, make sure I clean my neck. So my face is clean. It's squeaky clean. So I usually would use a paper towel to dab my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a towel, and I'm just gonna press it against my face. my face feels so fresh already. It feels a little bit dry, but not like too crazy dry, which is why I was trying to like pat my face. So look at the skin. Okay, baby. This is clarifying peel pads to purify and exfoliate. So, and it says no need to remove it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my face. I'm trying to see if it's, yeah, that means all my makeup is off. So I'm gonna use that. And again, it's from Sephora. And bring it around my neck and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my toner, and I use the Glow Recipe. I like to just put it on my hands like this, and then put it in, and then just dab it on my face like so, like that, in the words of Miss Tabitha. Press it against my skin. I like to go in with the Sephora serum. Now this is what the old one used to look like, and this is the new one. I did review it on my Sephora haul. I'll probably link it down below if you guys are interested. You squeeze it to get a good amount out, and you just, ooh. Oh, sometimes it goes too fast. I just go like this. I just use my hands to massage it all over my face. And I think you're supposed to do it up so you don't get wrinkled skin or whatever they say. So yeah, and you see like the shine is already coming back to the face. So literally when you wake up in the morning, your skin will feel so smooth, so nice, so soft. I love it. So yeah, y'all, look at the skin, look at the skin, look at the skin. Okay, so after that, I usually like to go in with my, listen, everything is Sephora because it's just that affordable, and it's actually pretty good. I mean, it works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Firming Night Cream by Sephora. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's a mini. I think it retails for like $20. Just a little bit. I like to put it on with my index finger, and then I just put it, and then I just, oh, my light died. Cool. I just put it on like this. I'm not supposed to bring it up, but I just can't help but bring it down. But you know, nothing has happened so far, so yeah. You love a moisturized skin over here. So this is what the skin is giving so far, and everything that I have applied are really moisturizing, as you can see. The next thing I have is this Cora Glow Face Oil. It's optional. Okay, you don't have to put it on. It is scented. It does have a little scent, but I like it. Just to be shining at nighttime, I put a little bit of the oil, and it's it's really gonna give that glow. I think I put too much on, but it's okay. It's gonna give that glow for sure. It does have a scent, so I'm not sure if it's going to break me out for being so scented. So if you don't want something like heavy scented on your face, I would not recommend you get this. But if you don't mind and it doesn't break out your skin, and you want to have something on like this just so your skin could, let me put it up like this, your skin could glow at night, I would definitely recommend this. The face is shining. Now I do have the little roller thing. I have yet to try it, but when I was reading the directions, it said for you to put it in the fridge so it can be really, really cool to make sure your face is firm. You know, we're going for that firmness. Ooh, roll it, roll, 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 roll. You roll like so, like that on your face to get that firmness. It already has a cooling effect, but if you want to put it in the fridge, it could give you more of that cooling effect. But it's okay, this is cool enough for me. Bring it down to my neck. I'm not gonna roll too much. We're gonna go ahead and use our topicals for our under eye to make it more brighter, so on and so forth. I think I might sleep with this on. Again, all of this was on my my Sephora haul. If this video is all over the place, I apologize, but this is what it is. So yeah, you guys, this is my first time actually using this one. I just think it's so cool when the girlies be having it, and I want to be cool like the girlies. So I'm gonna apply it like this, Ooh, have that cooling effect. Yeah, ooh, this feels nice and cool. To top it off, we can't forget about our lips. Now, I don't have a lip scrub. I have to go get a lip scrub, but I am loving Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. This is in the color or shade is vanilla. I actually like it. I actually wear this every day, but yeah. Take this off because I look weird. This is my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. Get unready with me to get ready for the bed. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will list everything down below that I use on my face. Now this is for my nighttime. Daytime is really simple because I'm like rushing in the day, but nighttime you get to focus and just really relax and just take care of your skin, which I think is very important because it's your skin. You have it until you die, so might as well take good care of it. You know what I'm saying? Love the skin you're in, live in the skin you're in, and take care of the skin that you have been given. That is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, be sure to subscribe to your girl. Like I always say, put God first and you will never be last, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Good night.